egg. Alright, go ahead. This works, it should be pretty spectacular. If not, we'll have a nice hard-boiled egg. I have no idea how long this takes. But this one I can guarantee you something has to happen eventually. Anything yet?
Nope.
Because it should at least start leaking. You can't cook them in the shell.
For something to happen.
Especially with their like hot water heater experiments where it's a half hour of this.
Yeah, or one of their improvised cans.
Whoa! And that's why you don't microwave an egg. Holy crap!
It is largely cooked. Just scrape it on a plate, we're good.
Oh man, that's mostly hard boiled. Check that out.